Hi, so today we're going to do page 197, maybe a few pages on graphs. So let's get started. So this type of graph is what you call a table. And this is a graph, and this is area where it's going to have an in-between. So for the following, answer the question and circle the answer. Now, a linear function is a graph that is a straight line. Remember, it's always a straight line. It can be straight up this way, or it's a little bit slanted, but straight. So answer the following question. And the same thing on this one, please answer the question. This is a linear function increasing or decreasing. Circle your answer. So is it increasing or is it decreasing? It should tell you by the numbers. Once you finish, please upload it to Teams. Thank you.